Take a look at this activity device, which is named the S2H replay. That's where I got the R. And it is designed by a company called S2H. And you can find it at S2H.com. And they sell for $19.95 each. Now, according to their website, they say the S2H replay is a fun and sophisticated wrist-worn product which enables users to quantify their level of physical activity, whereby generating one unique reward code for each 60 minutes of physical activity. And then upon entering your reward code, it resets the S2H replay so that you can be active and generate another code. In addition to monitoring physical activity, the R2H replay displays time and date, so you could use it as a watch. They also explain on their website that the reason they require 1 hour of activity is based on the CDC recommendation that children and adolescents participate in at least 60 minutes of moderate intensity physical activity most days of the week, which that makes a lot of sense. And then they asked, or they were responding to a question, what activity must I do for the R2H replay to fill up? And their response was moderate intensity activity, and that the device is also equipped with a sophisticated and proprietary algorithm to ensure a certain type of activity is achieved over a predetermined amount of time. And then they state that unlike pedometers, the R2H replay requires continuous activity, subdividing the 1 hour requirement into 23-minute segments. Now, I also would like to read to you their mission, and then I'll tell you what I think about the product. Switch to Health. Oh, I see. That's the S2H. Switch, S2H Health. Believes that one of the most powerful tools in promoting healthy and active lifestyles is personal motivation. And S2H improves health and wellness by integrating products based on patent-pending technology with a scalable rewards platform to motivate and reward customers and students for physical activity. Now, I wore this device for some time, getting used to it and looking for the positives and the negatives associated with it. I would like to reemphasize that there's quite a few of these products on the market now, and many of them have GPS chips in them, accelerometer chips in them, all kinds of different sensors. And we're going to take one a month and take a look at them. Now, with the S2H in particular, I had 3 issues. One, I did not find it to be accurate, so that was obviously a concern. My second concern, though, even if it was accurate, is the cost. $19.95 is not bad, but here's the thing, and this is something you always have to be careful of. You cannot replace the battery in the S2H, and the battery life is guesstimated at 1.5 years, so figure 1 year to 1.5 years, and then you'd have to throw the device away. So I would like to suggest that if this particular device is something you're interested in, take a look at the SW200 pedometer from Yomex. Basically same price point. However, the accuracy and validity have been proven, and you can replace the battery so that you're going to have a much longer lifespan with the device. And then thirdly, I have trouble with the reward system. What we know about external motivation for physical activity is once that external motivation is removed, folks go back to whatever types of physical activity or not doing physical activity that they were doing previously. I am much more interested in cultivating intrinsic reward for our students than extrinsic reward. So accuracy I'm concerned about. Certainly costs because of not being able to replace the battery, and then just the fact that it records for rewards and doesn't give the students much more information than that. This would not be one that I would recommend to you folks for physical education.